it was night shift, and there'd be massive periods, sometimes over an hour, where there's just nothing to do. So it was just me and my notepad coming up with ideas, scribbling down different concepts and stuff. That's where I came up with this logo. Yeah, got some really good ideas out of it, and there's a lot of opportunities out there. I know of, and I've met some. Like, I've met some successful business people these days that just used to drive Uber and listen to audiobooks and scribble down ideas and stuff in their off time, or people that have worked at gas stations or retail and stuff like this, that just sort of use their off time to get stuff done. Even when I had a job working for a water delivery company once, and it was when I was studying, I'd literally drive around with the textbooks on the steering wheel, like reading. It's really unsafe. I wouldn't recommend like reading and driving. But by the end of the 8-hour day, I'd finished a couple of chapters. So multitask. Whoever said men can't multitask is, it's not true. You can.